Mercedes-Benz fully restored vehicles at Motor Classic Hungary. The beautiful wood in a darker color, this cozy feeling when driving around, and the seats are also beautiful sound. Hello guys, welcome to MercBenzKing. Today we are at Motor Classic Hungary at the La Estancia Polo Club. So there's a match going on behind me. We will have a look at the match, the different horses that are here, but of course also at these unique Mercedes-Benz fully restored vehicles at Motor Classic Hungary. Behind me is the cabriolet in full blue. I really love the accents also with the blue interior. Over here the golden one that we have seen on the racetrack a while ago. So beautiful S-classes, they are the last fully hand-built Mercedes-Benzes on production, and also the first one that came with a V8. Mostly high individual people, they bought the vehicles like diplomats or celebrities because it was just in such great quality. Also option-wise you have full electric windows, full electric sunroof on the coupe. So the full name is Mercedes-Benz 280 SE 3.5 Cabriolet, the one right here in blue. It is from 1970 and in total only 1,233 have been produced. So how many are left since these 56 years ago? It is of course less. This one is fully restored from A to Z, so it is like brand new. It is fully restored in-house at Motor Classic Hungary. They have a station for every part you can think of. The chroming, paint, the bodywork, everything. So this is the W111 series, chassis series, and it was produced between 1959 and 1971. The last ones of course are amazing when it comes to options. There is also the 4-door sedans, the 2-door coupes and the cabriolet. The flagship model of the series is the 280 SE 3.5. It is powered by this robust 3.5 liter V8 engine that everybody loved at the time. Only a few of them really ordered it. It delivers exceptional performance wrapped in a stunning design by Paul Breck. This was the designer back in the days. So this way it's being placed among the world's most valuable luxurious automobiles. So as I mentioned, it is really limited. Only 3,270 coupes are built, 1,233 cabriolets. So basically this restoration is back to new. So 0 kilometers because it is completely taken care of. It is in its highest restoration quality. In other words, concours level. So the engine is a 3.5 liter 8-cylinder. It produces 200 horsepower. The acceleration is very smooth, 9.5 seconds to 100 kilometers an hour. Top speed of 210 kilometers an hour. And it is all being handled with a gearbox that is a 4-speed automatic. So tell me guys, which interior do you like the most? The darker one over here, the blue one, or this brown one? And just know that you can configure it the way you want with your own W111 before restoration, or you buy the one that they have in stock before it is being fully restored. Right now, at the moment, I am really digging this color. I like it a lot. Maybe because of my jacket, but it does give you this warm feeling, this cozy feeling when driving around. And the seats are also very comfortable. Just check out the quality guys, amazing. It's a beautiful picture just to look at. Imagine sitting inside and driving around. Beautiful mirror, also with the chrome fully done in-house. And all the buttons, also the complete underneath as I mentioned. We have a full automatic over here as I mentioned, 4-speed automatic. You can put it into reverse, neutral, 4, 3 or 2, and that limits the gears that it will change in. So if you drive on the 4, it will go all the way to the 4th gear. Then we have the beautiful finished polished wood with the leather, everything fully restored. Motor Classic Hungary only does the full restoration, so no parts, only the real deal to really make sure everything is correct. We have the galvanized screws, everything is done in-house. Amazing. Pillars in wood. So let's check out the blue cabriolet. Amazing, just listen to the door, guys.
We have successfully defended that early on.
Beautiful sound. And this is how you want your Mercedes-Benz to sound when you close the door. Right here we have the blue interior. It also suits me very good. I've already seen it on the pictures. We have the beautiful wood in a darker color, really matching with this darker blue interior. The dark steering wheel, you can also change it the way you like, as I mentioned. So we have also some accessories to open or close the complete roof, and complete electric windows. Beautiful, guys. Check out the Mercedes store on the hood. Amazing. Such a prestige feeling with the Mercedes store on the hood. Here at the Motor Classic stand, you can see the parts, also the different faces. This is the before and after restoration of the injection pump. We had a full video of how they measure everything. They use real machines from back in the days to test the fuel injection. This is exclusive. Then we have the green part, the injection pump testing on the test bench. This is a Bosch mechanical 6-piston injection pump system. It is used for the W111 280 SO Pagoda, and it delivers fuel to each cylinder through injector elements into the intake manifold. And this being a mechanical pump, Motor Classics thoroughly inspects and refurbish during the restoration process. Each injection piston is replaced along with its corresponding housing, as this is fundamental to achieve precise delivery volume adjustment and regulation. There is the selection of the screws. Everything is built in-house. The galvanization. So guys, thanks for watching MercBenzKing. I hope you liked the video with the W111s here of Motor Classic Hungary, and I hope to see you guys next time. Bye bye.